Welcome to our La Puente build. Today I'll be showing you the framing section of the house and some rough plumbing. Let's start with the master suite addition. So this was the garage before, and now we are making it the master suite. So it'll have a bedroom, a closet, and its own bathroom. And we just are getting the roof installed today. We got the trusses going up and the fascia going up, so I wanted you guys to see. This is our new kitchen space. We have existing wall here and an existing window replacing the window, but the framing is going to stay the same. The sink is piped in now. We have the rough in for the sink. It's in this new location. As you can see, the wall is a little bit messed up. This wall is supposed to stay existing, and we have this lath and plaster here. To do part of a wall in drywall and the other part in plaster can be done. You tie them in together, it definitely can be done. But again, I'm gonna recommend to just take it out and re-drywall this whole area. So I think it'll have a cleaner look at the end of the day. So this wall on the plans originally, and this sometimes happens from planning stages to actually doing the actual construction, we were just supposed to rebuild this opening to accept the sliding glass door and then fill in. There was a door here that we needed to fill in. There was so much interior work that needed to be done and exterior lath that had to be done. We just thought it was better to tear out this whole wall and rebuild this whole wall. As you can see, we had to fill in this rake here. So, you know, it just seemed to be better to take out the whole wall and just start from scratch. You know, if a plan calls for parts of a wall to be taken out, it might be better just to take out the whole wall. And that's kind of the situation that we found ourselves in here. So you can see here we're running our plumbing lines for the refrigerator and for the sink, and our gas line for the stove. We're just doing the sheeting right now and the exterior to accept the lath and brown that we'll be doing, and then the stucco coat after that. We had a plain wall here originally. We had to demolish this. Like I said, we ended up demolishing the whole wall, framed in this new slider door here, and we're gonna have to pour concrete steps out here. We embedded some rebar into the existing stem wall so that we can add in the concrete. Again, another situation we found ourselves in on this project. This wall was supposed to be existing. The original slider is being reinstalled, but we needed to add this beam. In order to do that, we needed to remove the existing window or existing slider so that we could frame in this opening, put this big beam in here, and then put the sliding glass door back in. A cool feature on this build is this drop floor for the client's mom, who's going to be living with him for her shower. So this way we can make it a curbless shower. So in order to make a curbless shower, you have to recess the floor at least 3 inches. We have a raised foundation in this situation, so what we had to do was box this out. This actually is an addition that we did. So the retaining walls that we built, we made so that we could hang the joists in this area lower, and so we could recess this floor the 3 inches that we need to make up that difference. You know, what you need basically is enough room for the hot mop. If you do a hot mop shower pan, which I recommend is the only way you should build a shower, is a hot mop shower pan. And then you have your hot mop, you have your float, and then you have your tile, and you have your pitch, you know, that your drain slope. So you got to make all that, it ends up at 3 inches at the end once it's all said and done. So, and then you want to waterproof the shower outside of the shower at least 2 feet. And we wanted to make sure we got that done. So I just wanted to show you that, and so you could see what it looks like underneath, what it takes to actually do a recessed shower pan. That wraps up the framing portion of our video for this project. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Then that, I think, is what we should all be doing. So, and you can cut out that so. Oh, let me see. What was it originally? I don't think it was anything. So, you have to cut out that so. Anything else I want to talk about here? the lath and scar, this big stud in here. I mean, this big. Sorry. And that wraps up our framing section of our video. What am I saying? Yeah. So originally this was just a plain wall, and so we put in the, no, and do an and so again. Simple, easy. Let's get out of their way.